8, line up and wait, runway 09.
Climbing way, runway 09, Aviation 8.
Ngurah Tower.
Closing to Uluwatu.
Ngurah Tower. Qatar 962, line at 0938, packet by November 3, expedite packet runway, contact Ngurah ground 118.8, good day.
Certificate November 3 and 118.8, good day, Qatar 962.
Jet 908, runway 09, clear for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff, runway 09, with 998.
Ngurah Tower. Line 371, line up and wait, runway 09.
Line up and wait, 09, 371.
Ngurah Tower. Indonesia 81, line at 0941, ticket by November 2, contact Ngurah ground 118.8, good day.
November 2, 118.8, Indonesia 81, terima kasih.
Sama-sama.
Ngurah Tower, Bapak Kilo Foxtrot Bravo India, over. Uluwatu, confirm sila identify mo?
Bapak Kilo Foxtrot Bravo India, negative sir.
Copy it, negative identify, we are reporting to fly Bali.
Bapak Kilo Foxtrot Bravo India, Russia, report landing fly Bali.
Bapak Kilo Foxtrot Bravo India.
Delta 71, runway 09, clear for takeoff.
09, clear for takeoff, line 71.
Ngurah Tower.
Ngurah, Bapak Kilo Foxtrot Bravo India, notification to be completed, Tanjung 500 feet.
Foxtrot Bravo India. Just stand by.
Roger, Bravo India.
Foxtrot Bravo India, no cost, takeoff area 09, proceed to Pesangaran. Report when landing Pesangaran.
Roger, clear cross, direct to Pesangaran, Bravo India. Confirm by transponder identified?
Now identified 4662.
Roger, Bravo India, thank you.
Entry, contact ground 118.8, 1 exit, another good evening, ma'am.
Okay.
Enter 924 and airplane runway 09. 09, enter 924.
924 runway 09, clear for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff line, Inter 924.
Clear the line.
Runway 09, clear the line has done it.
Latest Kenneth 1010, hold line up equation. We have traffic crossing from south to the north.
Roger, pause, wait.
Delta 032 runway 09, clear for takeoff.
Malaysia 715, wind 140 degrees, 16 knots, 09, can land.
09, clear the land, is 715, November.
Molido 178, radar 1197.
traffic Foxtrot Bravo India approaching Uluwatu.
Ada kalau India,
Time Foxtrot Bravo India traffic Foxtrot Bravo Mike over Gupai.
Copy traffic, Bravo Mike over Gupai. Now we are approaching Uluwatu 1000 kilo.
Roger, report final fly Bali.
Report final fly Bali, Bapak Kilo Foxtrot Bravo India.
Malindo 192, line up runway 09.
Runway 09,
Tower.
Indonesia 410, good afternoon, continue approach runway 09 again is 1009.
Copy approach, again is 1009, Indonesia 410.
Initiated 1, surface wind 130 degrees, 11 knot, runway 09, clear to land.
09, clear to land, Indonesia 1.
Ngurah Tower. Good 998, Airborne. First per 743, line up and wait runway 09.
Line up and wait, runway 09, pass per 743.
Ngurah Tower. Number 641, line at 0928, continue vacant November 4, contact Ngurah ground 118.8, good day.
0928, Malaysia 8, massive from 1, 6 miles.
Somali. Bus for 1043, runway 09, clear for takeoff.
Runway 09, clear for takeoff, pass per 743.
Ngurah Tower.
Tower Military 258, on over Delta SF 403.
Military 258, continue approach runway 09 again. Military 258, surface wind 140 degrees 13, north runway 09, clear to land.
Clear to land, runway 09.
Ngurah Tower. Military 962, Taman Sore, continue approach runway 09 again, is 1009.
Approach runway 09, alright, 770.
Ngurah Tower. Pushbar 743, F10930, contact Bali radar 1100 decimal 7. Gathering 960, surface wind 130 degrees 13, north runway 09, clear to land.
Clear to land, runway 09, sorry, 962.
Ngurah Tower. Breakup system.
Station 1715, ladies wind 120 degrees 15 knot, gas 1010, clear to land.
Clear to land, Malaysia 715. Give me a temperature of the Almeva.
Malaysia 410, surface wind 140 degrees 11 knots, runway 09, clear to land.
Clear to land, runway 09, runway 410. Papa Kilo, Papa Go.
In 150 degrees 13 knot, 09 can land.
Clear to land, make sure everyone is Papa Kilo Whiskey
Whiskey Hotel Victor, expecting November 5, thank you.
November 5, reach 1851. Thank you.
Thank you, KFC.
Hotel Malindo 178, we are ready.
Malindo 178, Roger, on short 09.
Hotel Malindo 178.